Yo, what's happening? It's your boy Chance Jolivet, aka Smooth, back with another one. So, like to do a little fashion on the channel. So, this right here, this is a brand that I've worked with before. So, they hit me up recently, asked me to pick some more pieces, and they was gonna be sending them through. To my chagrin, a day passed, and I got a package in the mail. It is not what I picked. This is just some things that they sent on their own. So, with no further ado, let's get into this package by Supermade. Okay, so see, it's a big old bag. So they got a few pieces in here. I'm gonna go through them one at a time. Okay, so this first one right here, I see it's a gray medium. So check that out right there. I think one of the pieces is a whole outfit. The other one is 2 pair of pants. So what I'm gonna do, that's why I picked a regular, just plain old t-shirt. So that's what I'm gonna pair this with. So you got these pants right here. So I seen these on their catalog or whatever. So they got these pants and they have like a upper area. So I guess you can wear your pants high. It'll look like you're sagging or something. Some streetwear-ish. But I do like the bottom of them. They do look comfortable. Like this right here is a little bit different. But hey, different can be good. But this is very interesting because the top of it looks like some plaited like trousers or something, like you could put a belt on or something. And the bottom is basic joggers, like look at some workout material or something. But let's see what it's looking like on body and what the comfort is. So this right here has a very interesting feel to them. The top, it feels like you're wearing some pants because of the waist area, but the bottom, man, these feel good. Like I like the bottom of them too, man. Like they baggy, but like a slim bagginess or something. I don't know how to quite verbalize it or whatever. But check them out. I do like these. I like the way that these look. I think that this is kind of strange, but for the most part, honestly, I don't think people really gonna see this part too much. And I don't know. I guess it's mature. You can wear these. You can have your pants up, but you can still give it that look like you like your pants are hanging off your ass, but they're not because your pants are up on the waistline. So it depends on how you feel or whatever. But just the look of them at the bottom, I do like the way that they drape over your shoes and stuff like that. The feel of the material feels great. It's very stretchy and soft. Like I like that. I very much like that. Like I ain't nobody that's gonna cap. If they send me some whack, I'm gonna be like, eh. But I do like these, man. So this is option number 1. So I'm gonna get to the next one, man. Let's check out what that's looking like. Okay, so this right here, it says black medium. So I already said it with the other ones. This is a medium right here. So see what these looking like. Okay, so these look kind of like, this looks like the complete pair of pants right here. But let's check it out. These look like what Luke Cage look like he's gonna be wearing on the next season of Daredevil, kicking heads. But let's check out what this looking like on body. Okay, so check out these right here, man. This number right here is more on the dressy side. Like I'm not mad at it because all the pieces that I got has been very like eclectic streetwear type joints. This right here, like they're baggy, but you can dress up a little bit. You can have like a shirt, you can tuck it in. It depends on what you want to do or whatever. Like you can have your little button up on, or you can have like maybe a tighter shirt, tuck it in, etc., etc. But looking nice. I ain't mad at these, man. I ain't mad at them. Like I love the print of it, like the pinstripe, all that good stuff. So a little baggy-ish reminds me of like a Jordan and Kobe and them when they was younger. Like that's how everybody was rocking it back in the days. Back when the NBA put on their dress code. But yeah, I ain't mad at it. If you got the swag, you can pull it off. You can pull it off. Everybody can't pull it off. I ain't saying I can, but it can be some fly. It depends on the situation and stuff. I can see these doing a little something. Doing a little something. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. But we got one more package to unbox. This is gonna be 2 items right here. It's gonna be like a complete fit. So let's get to that one. Okay. So this right here, see what it says on the package. White medium. Like I said, there's gonna be 2 items. I peep game. Like I think I got this in like yesterday or whatever, but I just was lazy, didn't feel like filming and stuff. But like I said, so got a shirt right here. So this is different because it's a denim shirt, but sleeveless. But it also has a zipper. Like I could see denim sleeveless, but with just a solid front. But this right here, being that it has the zipper, that makes it very much different. Very much different. So you can open it up if you would want to or whatever. But first piece right here. Now, let's check out what the pants looking like. So they got pants that came with it. And so these right here, it's a white pair of pants, but it looks like you drug yourself on the road or something. Like, it's good in a way because it's a white pair of pants, but it's like a white pair of pants that you ain't got to worry about. You ain't got to worry about these being dirty or whatnot. If somebody would brush up on these and dirty them up a little bit, like it's the look. It's a grungy type look. So, man, let's put this on, man. Let's see what it's looking like. Okay, we got the pants on, man. Now let's check out what the top looking like. Okay, so this right here is the completed look. I'm not mad at it. Man. I can see myself rocking this, man. Depending on where you're going or whatever. And trying to get back working out, man. Trying to get back on my stuff. So, hey, summertime. Now, the only thing about Louisiana, like, it's pants. Pants, because it's summertime. It's super hot. Like, the top, like, depending on the weather, you get, like, 73 or something like that. And be able to pull the guns out with some pants. Hey, I ain't too mad at it. But, like, 85, 90-ish with humidity, a little bit more complicated to pull off or whatever. But I like the look. I can see this. It's a more younger look, but I'm not mad at it. It's not like you super young or whatever. You gotta be young you to wear this or whatever. Like, if you got the swag or whatever, you can pull this off. This ain't like age appropriate or whatever. Like, I ain't mad at it. But that's what this looking like, man. That's the haul. What was your favorite piece? And we're going to have a little bit of information in the description of the video. So y'all check that out. Y'all use the promo code and stuff, man. I think I had a few sales in previous videos and stuff, man. So, hey support Supermade, like a company, like they on the grind or whatever. I love to see that right there. Maybe they're going to be the next FUBU when they was at their peak or whatever. But keep on pushing. Hey, and I'm in the early upstarts of it. Maybe to help somebody out or whatever. And they helping me out, man. And we sending the boys some gear and all that. I'm not mad at it. But what y'all thought? Like I said, what's your favorite piece? What's your thoughts? Drop them in the comment section, man. Like, comment, subscribe. You're gonna be the greatest and the most hated, man. I let you boy.